So, who's in your room? Have you ever thought about who's in the room that you are giving your presentation in? Because that is absolutely one of the most important things to be considering, right? Your room and your audience is something that you have to really understand in order to be giving powerful workshops that are going to be impactful for the people present. Now, one of the things I see most commonly happen is that presenters often don't think about the biggest objections or the sensitivities that a room might have. Right? And that's going to be different based upon your target market. So the first thing to really do is to understand the biggest wants, needs, and desires of your target market. What are the biggest objections that they may have to you, your product, your service, and understanding what sensitivities that they may have that are not the same as other target markets, right? Because if someone is sensitive to a particular word or subject and you just go into the room talking about that in your presentation, then you could easily offend the group and really ostracize yourself from being able to be of service to that room. So it's important that you understand your room's wants, needs, and desires. Who are they? What do they want? And most importantly, how do you not offend them by saying the wrong things? All right, stay tuned for next video, and I can't wait to share some more tips on public speaking here for you.